How to request? We can't request now. निकालो निकालो. Scolding. Which one? They will throw our bike. We have to go very.
Welcome back to my channel again. So थोड़ा प्रीव्यू देख के आप लोगों को पता चल ही गया होगा कि क्या हुआ था बोल के. तो मैं थोड़ा सा समरी दे देता हूँ क्योंकि वीडियो कभी कभी समझ में नहीं आता ना, क्योंकि मुझे वीडियो बनाने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम नहीं मिला क्योंकि मेरा बैटरी ख़त्म हो रहा था बीच बीच में. उसके बाद बीच बीच में भूल भी रही थी ना मैं. भूलना तो नहीं चाहिए. तो हम लोग फर्स्ट नहीं प्लानिंग क्या किया बोले से हम लोग चामुंडी जाकर वो प्लानिंग किया था ना. और हम लोग चामुंडी नहीं जाके वो क्योंकि उनके पास कनाडा लड़की दो था ना, एक जो दीदी जैसा है ना, एक फ्रेंड है, तो वो दोनों ने लेके जाएगा क्योंकि वो दोनों कनाडा आना है. तो मैक्सिमम वो लोग को पता है ना जहाँ पे भी जाने से. तो वो दोनों ने हम लोग को हम लोग चामुंडी में जाने वाला था. पर पहले फर्स्ट स्टार्टिंग में हम लोग प्लानिंग बनाने टाइम में हम लोग वेणुगोपाल स्वामी ही जाएगा मुझे बोला था टेम्पल में. पर वो जो बहुत दूर हो गया था ना, तो हम लोग चामुंडी जाएगा बोला था. तो फिर से उसके बाद वो दोनों को हम लोग को देख कर बहुत दुख लग गया होगा ना. सो उसके बाद वी वेंट टू वेणुगोपाल स्वामी इन द बिटवीन ओनली. जाने टाइम में इट वॉज नॉट डिफिकल्ट ओके. बट व्हेन वी वेंट देयर एंड व्हेन वी रीच ओवर देयर द टेम्पल वॉज क्लोजिंग. आई थिंक इट वॉज इन 6:30 इट वॉज क्लोजिंग. But still we went there, then got scolded, then we came while coming. आने टाइम में रास्ते क्योंकि अंधेरा हो चुका है ना, उसके बाद गूगल मैप में देख रहा था ना, कभी कभी गूगल मैप रॉन्ग भी बता देता है ना. तो हम लोग उस सर्कल में हम लोग क्योंकि दो स्कूटी था ना, तो एक दूसरा चला गया तो हम लोग रास्ता भटक गया. तो उसके बाद रास्ता भटक के हम लोग इधर हो गया. तो उसमें हम वीडियो नहीं बना सका क्योंकि उसमें ना मेरा बैटरी ख़त्म हो गया था. तो उसमें ऐसा हो गया ना. तो फिर से आने टाइम में मतलब कि वहाँ से वेणुगोपाल स्वामी से मैसूर में आने टाइम में हम लोग ने रूट जो है ना, दो रूट था. एक जो प्लेटफॉर्म वाला रूट है ना, फ्लाई ओवर वाला, और दो नीचे जाने वाला रूट था. तो उसमें जो हम लोग ऊपर से गया था ना, क्योंकि थोड़ा इंसिडेंट हो गया था बीच में. तो ऊपर से जाने टाइम में हम लोग को पता नहीं चला कि वो ओनली फॉर द 4 व्हीलर था. ओके, तो वाइल गोइंग हम लोग एग्जिट में पहुँचने वाला था ना. पर उसमें जो एक बहुत अच्छा अंकल आया हुआ, अंकल ने बोला कि अगर तुम लोग नीचे जाएगा तो यहाँ से ही 2 व्हीलर अलाउ नहीं है, 5000 रुपीज़ फाइन करना पड़ेगा, फाइन पढ़ना पड़ेगा बोल के. तो वी 4 अगेन वेंट बैक लाइक दिस. आप लोग ने वीडियो में देखा होगा एक में जिसमें गाड़ी ऐसे आ रहा है ना, बट वी आर गोइंग लाइक दिस. तो उसमें जो 4 व्हीलर नहीं जा सकता, 4 व्हीलर सिर्फ जा सकता है बोल के बोला था ना. उसका 2 व्हीलर नहीं जा सकता बोला था. तो जाने टाइम तो बहुत अच्छे से गया था ना, पर आने टाइम बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगा. तो आप लोग को भी वही बता रहा है कि ऐसा हुआ बोल के. तो आप लोग अब अच्छे से मेरा वीडियो देख सकते हैं क्या हुआ बोल के. Let's go.
We are heading. हम लोग जा रहे हैं अभी बाइक से. Kunzang and Ushaka and Vainika and me. Let's go. Ushaka and Kunzang are going. Sun, me and Vainika are back. Sea pollution, oh my god. I don't know whether we can catch up with the sunset or not. But I might thinking that we can if it's possible. Right now sun is here now. Maybe we should go down. We are going at hill. So I think we can catch up. Yeah. बाइक का यही फायदा है डोया. More than this we can't go. We have some changes in our plan. I thought that we are going to Chamundi, but we are not going to Chamundi. We are going to Venugopal temple. We will show you there how it is. पहले मैंने सोचा ना हम लोग चामुंडी जा रहे हैं. चामुंडी नहीं जा रहे हैं, हम लोग वेणुगोपाल मैंने देखा। और एक और आई है, देखो मैं दिखाएगा आपको। शीश, उधर एक जाम होगा, सोचा सनसेट हो गया। ऐसा वाला देखो, छोटा वाला आता है ना, ऐसा वाला। पहले भी एक देखा मैंने, इधर भी एक और देखा ना। अभी तो मैं नहीं लग रहा है हम लोग को सनसेट दिखेगा। सनसेट हो गया। कहाँ चला गया सनसेट? गलती से उधर रास्ता में चला गया ना। मैप बोलने वाला मुद्रा है, मुद्रा ने गलत बताया। I think now we are about to reach Kunjang. How many minutes? Sun is already went. Let's go. We are at the beach. What? Time 6:27. We have only 3 minutes. Let's go. I think we reached, but I think it's time to close. Maybe I don't know. I'm not sure. Right now we are letting in, but oh, there's the temple. Oh my gosh, sorry. There is the temple and all over. Water, water, water. Sun already went. क्या कर सकते हैं हम? कुछ नहीं कर सकते। लेट आने से ऐसे होता है तो।
Guys, come here.
Hi guys.
It's already late. They will scold us. Come fast. Yeah, both the phone were not mine. Yeah. In both the oh, you have to come okay, not only in one.
Now that side.
Not here. What are we doing?
We're just posing.
Oh yeah.
Time, guys.
Guys, it's closing time. We are very late. We are late. It's closing time. They are pee money. Yeah. कहीं निकलो. We just came now. अगर बात करो. Requesting. How to request? We can't request now. निकलो. After seeing our face only, he's saying that निकलो. Oh. Now we are late, but still we can go. Fast. We have to do very fast. From outside it looks very good, guys, but I can't show you. Everyone is doing like that on the It's very sad. They're scolding. Which one? They will throw our bike. We have to go very fast now. Amma, so many security guards.
Otherwise we have to.
Let's go. I think we have to go.
Take a selfie. Hey, Tenzin, come fast.
You want to tell something? You don't tell anything. You do only this one. Why?
It's a bad day.
Yeah, we just arrived now only. No, it's closing. But she's. These annas are not good.
Yeah. So bad people. Video. It's not even a photo. Where
Yeah.
are they coming?
It's night. They are scolding us. I think it's closing time. But they should not tell like this. No. God, bloody fool there. Guys, it's too sad.
Yeah.
We just arrived there. Then they started to whistle their what? City? Whistle the whistle. So whistle their whistle.
People are going at closing time.
Yeah, so we arrived very late. No, it's closing. Close side to Anna.
Yeah.
So,
See, they should tell the timings.
yeah, I think before 6:30 we have to. No, not before. It's in 6:30. It's closing. I think so. It's 6:30.
Where are
in
they?
6:30 there. It's closing. So if you want to come at 5. Then you'll get to see everything in 1.5 hours. Then you may go. I'm giving suggestion who is getting late.
Don't come late.
Yeah, if you come late, guys, it's not good. They both are coming.
See, our friends are coming back.
How much? I think 7 of the security guards scold us. Together. Ayo, not good.
ಬಿಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ. Yeah, there.
Here. I have to get up. Coke. It's Coke. Minda. So we got nothing to see, but we can eat. Don't laugh like this. I look like I'm very sick. Coke, Minda. Coke, do.
Same person.
Wait, no, I'm okay. Coke, do, wala. Coke.
What you're taking?
I'm taking Coke. You don't want anything? One is enough. But this I will drink, no?
This you should make me do it.
Oh, okay. After a long drive, as if I was the one who is driving. After a long drive, one Coke banta hai, bhai. This is Batak and Vainika, she is going. Oh, sunset. Sun is not there, but set is there. You tell something now.
We'll enjoy by eating this. We saw the duck.
What I was telling, you heard?
We saw the sunset while we are coming.
Yeah. And today we came to Rome, but it was like we came on a long ride.
Long drive.
It's okay. It was also good. Yo, Vainika.
Vainika is busy taking snaps.
Yeah, I should know. Kutu. Mare. Quack. Yeah, it's not going in. She came. Look, Vainika. Yeah, you scared them. Let's go now. Rocket! You are driving like rocket.
Ah, we have to be there.
Behind they are coming. So, let's go. Now we are heading towards Mysuru. Where we went? I don't know the name also.
Back to our school. Tapo Nandana Park.
Tapo.
Tapo Nandana Park.
Tapo Nandana Park. We are going to Tapo Nandana Park. Then we'll.
Sit there. We'll have a... Oh! Pannimattam. They're giving back the vehicle.
Yeah. Should not be there. Yeah. First we'll give the vehicle. After that we'll go to the
Park. We'll sit, settle, and we'll go. We'll have something. Then back to their rooms and back to my own and back to their room. Sleep.
and they are coming. Discuss something going over here. Oh, not discuss. They are eating. I don't know. Something they are eating. That is Mysuru. Coming. In 250 we have to take left. Sorry, it's right. Yeah, right. In 110 meter. I think from here we have to take right. They went.
You have to see that side. I guess this.
No, they didn't came. While coming, we came from which side? Oh, see now. Take indicator on. Now we came to that highway, right? See, now we are going back again. This highway is only for I think 4-wheelers. So we are at 2-wheelers now. We should take that one road. Now we are gone, I think. We can't reach down. There is one camera also. Oh my god, guys, traffic. Ooh, waka.
Be like this only, or else you won't get chance to move. My leg.
Traffic. Hey, follow us. Oh my god. Too much of traffic, guys. Oh, and he was doing like this. I thought he was teasing us. Bye. Bye. Oh, so many kids.
What are they telling?
Okay. What they are telling?
Oh, who knows? That's okay, no? Actually,
Now
it's
we
a
are
good-
going home after a long ride.
Yeah.
I mean, I was the one who was doing nothing, but still, after a long ride. Let's go. It's